Won't be easy to dig out from this storm. And the governor's travel ban is a drastic step to give crews the space they really need to clear the roads at this point. WBZ's Parseghian is live for us in Attleboro tonight. Aaron.
David and Courtney, we're right around that jackpot zone, so to speak, here in Attleboro. 25 inches of snow and counting. That wind is still gusting at points, creating some dangerous conditions on the roads around here. A nor'easter throwing haymakers hitting communities across Massachusetts. In a few months, they're supposed to play World Cup soccer matches here at Gillette Stadium. Right now, it's barely visible with blowing wind and snow. Treacherous conditions with trees down in Foxborough neighborhoods and on Route 1, where this corrections officer got stopped in his tracks on his way to work. We tried to help push him out before a plow truck got him moving again. Further south in Bristol County, those who ventured out in Attleboro facing similar issues. On Monday, Governor Maura Healey issued a travel ban here for non-essential personnel.
We were mind blown when we came outside and saw this much, honestly. I was not expecting it.
On foot, some took in the sights of more than 2 feet of snow blanketing their town. Cars buried in drifts, plows trying to keep up with impassable roads.
It hasn't snowed like this since we were little, at least. So it's pretty crazy.
Even longtime residents can't find the words.
Too much snow all at once. I mean, it's a lot.
Shades of Dave Littlefield's childhood.
When's the last time you remember seeing this much?
When I was a kid, 78, blizzard 78.
And even as this storm tapers off, there's still going to be a lot of work ahead to clean all this up. That's one of the reasons for the travel ban now in effect, not only for people's safety, but for the road crew's safety out there trying to clean this up as quickly as possible. Live in Attleboro tonight, Parseghian, WBZ News.
Aaron, thank you. We're so grateful to all of our road crews working today.